Zoom Drain presents Lonnie, cleaning out downspouts. The winter season is on its way out, and with it, there's been an incredible amount of water.
Yeah, in Seattle, you get these heavy rains, and if you notice your perimeter drain is overwhelmed and you see water geysering out of your inlets, feel free to call Zoom Drain for a good jetting. We'll help take care of you.
Our Zoom Drain trucks roll up to your home with every tool we could ever need to unclog, jet, or clean out any drainage problem. We take pride in our work.
Ready to start jetting?
Every drain tech on our team is trained to understand the unique demands of a Seattle winter. We live in a special place with special weather. If you find that your home is leaving winter with a plugged drain or downspout, please don't hesitate to call.